If you get this message on TikTok which says no internet connection, tap to retry, then I will guide you on how to resolve this issue. Now, the first step you need to do is just make sure you have an active internet connection. So just make sure your phone has an internet connection. Now, if you have an internet connection and you're still having again the same issue, which says no internet connection, tap to retry, then just close the TikTok app. After closing the TikTok app, just turn on airplane mode, and then after turn on airplane mode, turn it off, and then relaunch the TikTok app again. Now, after relaunching the TikTok app, and if you're still again having the same issue, now what you need to do, just go to settings, then go to apps. So look for the apps, then wait for a few minutes, then look for the TikTok app. So just scroll down here and open the TikTok app. Now go to storage and make sure to clear the app cache. So just clear the app cache. After clearing the app cache, then you can open again the TikTok app. Now, if you've opened the TikTok app, but again you have the same problem which says no internet connection, now just go to the Play Store or App Store if you're using iPhone, and make sure to update the TikTok app. So just make sure your app is updated. So just look for the TikTok app and make sure it's updated. Mine is not updated, but for you, just make sure to click update and the app will be updated. After that, try to relaunch the app again and your issue will be resolved. So just make sure to follow the instructions very carefully and you'll be able to resolve this issue for no internet connection problem.